Hi, welcome to another how-to from Gooey.AI. Today we're looking at how to use ChatGPT for your own domain. Now, this is a very interesting tool which you can kind of connect to your particular website or any other search place you want to search, and it uses GPT-3 to give you very nice summarized answers. So today I'm going to test it with one of my favorite websites, which is Bon Appetit, which is a very nice cooking website and has great recipes on it. So I've added that in my specific site. This is of course optional. You can just do all of Google as well. And I'm going to say, okay, give me a simple red sauce spaghetti recipe. And I will hit submit, and it will go through the website and get me all the references for red sauce pasta that's available within the website. So you'll see all of the results here. And then it'll give me a wonderful output text, which will give me a quick and simple recipe on how to make a simple red sauce spaghetti. Given me all the ingredients, what I need to do, and also a little message that says enjoy your simple red sauce spaghetti. So nice, simple search query tool can be embedded into your website, or you can even ask the entire of Google. This is, as our summary here says, it is basically Bing plus ChatGPT or Perplexity AI. Let's see. I will just do a simple search query without the specific site, and then we can see the difference as well. There you go. It's given me another recipe, and I look through the searches. It'll show me all the places that it looked for recipes, which are some food bloggers across the entirety of the internet. So there you go. This is ChatGPT for your own domain. Thank you.